Hey everyone, it's Aya here from Social Media Design School. Have you been creating videos recently, or you're looking to, and you're wondering if there's anywhere that you can find free sounds and music for your background? Well, guess what? Facebook has provided you with it, and it was announced, let's say a couple of weeks ago. But I want to show you where you can actually find it and how straightforward it is for you to actually simply download. So let me show you. So you go onto your Facebook page, and just above your cover video or your cover image, you see publishing tools. So you click on that. And then on the left hand side, where you see post videos, you see sounds. So you click on sound collection, and all that comes up is a whole library of sounds. How exciting is this? I'm so excited because I've been getting really frustrated trying to find tracks. And you've got this. So what you're going to find when you go into the sound collection, you can have a look at tracks, sound effects. If you stay within tracks, you can have a look at the genres. So from folk, western, blues, holiday, Latin, to different moods, scary, dreamy, bright, to different lengths, which I think is up to 2 minutes plus. And then you've got ones with vocals, ensembles, no vocals, female, male vocals. How amazing is this? And what makes it even more amazing, it's so straightforward. All you have to do, once you find the track that you want, obviously you want to play it first and make sure it's the right sound for your video. Once you know that, all you're going to do right beside the play button is a circle with a down arrow, which basically means download. So you click on that and it downloads straight to your desktop. Easy peasy. So if you're creating videos right now and you hate the idea of it just being really silent, have a look through Facebook Sound Collection and download them and upload them to your video software editor. You'll love it. Take care. See you soon.